Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing a bullet journal plan with me for October. Now this video is a couple of days late. I was actually enjoying the start of my school holidays a little bit too much, but I hope you guys don't mind. So I actually haven't planned yet. I have all of it penciled in and I'm going to go and film afterwards. I just wanted to do a talky intro because I thought that was a lot better than a intro of a white bench. I have been back in my bullet journal quite regularly for the whole of September and about half of August, so I thought now would be a good time for me to show you guys my planning and kind of talk through why I like my bullet journal. There's not much else to say, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the plan with me part of the video. If you guys are excited to see another bullet journal, please give this video a thumbs up. If you like my new background, feel free to let me know down below. If you have any other video requests, don't forget to post them down below because I am kind of like, as you guys will see in the bullet journal, I'm starting to plan out my YouTube videos in my planner because I'm pretty serious about actually keeping up with my YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day and I'll see you guys in the voiceover.
Hello, so here we are. This is a Scribbles That Matter planner. I really love it, and we're obviously going to be planning for October. Just quickly showing you guys my supplies, and we are going with a cute font. I really like this font. It's basically a bubbly, half bubbly, downstrokey kind of font, and I'm going with a orange color scheme because A, I love orange, and B, I thought it was kind of Halloweeny, if that makes sense. Halloweeny, I don't know. We don't really celebrate Halloween in New Zealand unless you like want to dress up like a little sexy cat, but it's not really a thing here. I think it is becoming a thing, but it never was when I was a kid. Alright, monthly planning. I really like having a full calendar, and the reason why I like that is because I can lay out my entire month on one page. I can see when I'm busy, when I'm not busy. I can put in events, I can put in YouTube videos. I can do whatever the hell I want, and that's why I really love using a bullet journal. I'm going to be sticking with this font throughout the whole entire spread, which I really like. Now for my beautiful calendar spread, as you can see, these squares are 5 squares wide and 7 squares long, and I leave a line at the top just in case you wanted to copy this. You will need to measure it for your individual bullet journals though. I just like to have it nice and big because then I can fit in all of the events that I need to. Like if I had one day which was crazy and I had something on at work, something on at home, and then I had a video going up, it would make sure that I would have enough space to put everything in and it would still look nice and aesthetic. I also use this page. You guys will see me flipping back and forwards to this page, and that's why I have it here, so that if I ever need to check my dates, I can just flip back and check. With this orange, I'm basically just highlighting the months, the days of the month, and then I'm going to write in all of the numbers, which is a tedious process, but it looks real cute and it's worth it in the end. Alright, so this is my color code, and basically I use those colors when I write in my events. So you can see red is public holidays, or like holidays, like, you know, Halloween and stuff. And then purple is Twitch and gaming related events. Orange, if I do any orange, is personal. This blue is holiday related, and I'm obviously doing an arrow because the school holidays are 2 weeks long. And I think I've got a couple of school things which are 2 different shades of green, which I don't really, yeah, it's just for PD and other stuff. Not much, very important to you, but it's easy for me to tell where my time is being spent and kind of lets me see when I can and can't say yes to events and dinners and stuff. This next page that we're doing is my goals page. It's also my tracking page, but I basically set myself small achievable goals every single month. I feel like it helps me keep on track for my greater goals, which, to be fair, these goals have strayed quite a lot from my New Year's resolutions because I have done a lot better than I thought I would have. So I'll let you guys read those yourself, but I think it's really important to set yourself goals for whatever like particular goal you have, whether it's to be an entrepreneur or get good grades at uni or lose weight or what have you. Like, you can make goals and set them every month, make them sort of like scale, you know, so they start off easier and get harder and harder. Down the bottom we have my tracker, and my tracker is mostly health related. Hopefully you guys will be able to read all of these, but some of them are money related, but most of them are health and fitness related. So I've got hit my number of calories, have my probiotics, drink greens powder, don't eat out, don't spend, sleep 7 hours, and then just a whole bunch of gym related stuff. And all I do is I highlight or colour in the little square that's applicable if I do that particular task. So you can see this day I slept for a while, I had my greens powder, ate the right amount of calories, and yeah. Over here we have my 12-week challenge, and it's a challenge that I'm doing with myself. I just like to set these just to keep me on my toes. The reason why I'm doing 12 weeks is because it goes from the holidays to the next school holidays, so the 2 weeks of my current holiday and then 10 weeks of term. It just means that by Christmas time, pretty much this is when the end of the 12 weeks is. I just thought it would be a really good idea for me to kind of do a summer shred. I just want to see how much I can do in 12 weeks. This will be kind of like my last hurrah before summertime, so I want to try my best to get down in inches. I don't really like to have any inch or weight goals anymore. I do have body fat goals because I honestly can't tell you, I don't know how much more weight I can lose. I'm not really trying to lose weight anymore, so that's why there's no weight loss goal here. By the way, that red dot is there because I do that dot to signify that I am on my monthly, just so that I know, I don't know, interesting to see if there's any fluctuations in my weight. Obviously I just scrunched that page, which fills me with rage. Even more annoying watching it back. And this is my weekly spread. So this is stolen from Amanda H. Doodles, want to get that out of the way. Well, not stolen, but inspired by hers. Well, it's actually not inspired, it's exactly the same. It's her design. All I do every week is I just change up, well, every month I guess, I change up the style of font and the colour scheme. But other than that, I've been doing this for about 2 months and I really love it. All I do is I just do a little colour swatch. You'll see me do it in a second, and on top of that rather, I'll write the day of the week. The spread is basically as long as the pages, and it's, I believe, 8 spaces wide at the widest part. The smaller lines are 6 squares, and I just do it a little bit shorter so that I can get the curve, which you guys will see in a sec. I do curve it because I feel like it looks cuter, and I have a drop shadow. The reason why I set it up this way is because the space at the top is for me to write any events that I have, or like YouTube video uploads, paydays, anything like that that I need to know. And then the space down the bottom is for me to add my events. Well, not my events, sorry, my to-dos. I just totally butchered that. But you'll see in a second, I do add in a couple of to-dos just to show you guys what it would look like. Normally, actually I was going to say normally I wouldn't tick something off, but I totally write something on just to tick it off. You will see my colour coding come in a little bit here. I just like to keep it simple, so I just do the symbol in the particular colour. And yeah, that's how it looks when I use it to do my jobs. So this is the finished spread, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye!